National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the Los Angeles County coastline following a magnitude 8.6 earthquake that struck the Cascadia subduction zone off the northern California and southern Oregon coast at approximately 5:45 p.m. PDT. This undersea earthquake has generated a tsunami that is expected to reach the Los Angeles area by 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Waves could reach heights of 10 to 15 feet, with strong currents and coastal flooding anticipated in low-lying areas, including Santa Monica, Venice Beach, Malibu, Long Beach, and Marina del Rey. Residents in these areas are urged to evacuate immediately to higher ground, as multiple waves may occur, with dangerous conditions persisting for several hours. Boaters already at sea should move to deeper waters and avoid returning to shore. Further updates will be provided at 4:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time or sooner if conditions change. Stay tuned to local media or visit the National Weather Service website for more information.
A civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties or areas: Maricopa, Arizona; Yavapai, Arizona; Yuma, Arizona; Las Paz, Arizona; Pinal, Arizona; Mojave, Arizona, on October 31st, 2024, effective until 7:34 p.m. A disturbing event is currently ongoing across the counties of Maricopa and surrounding areas. At this time, all residents are urged to stay inside and barricade all entrances and doors. The Maricopa Emergency Management has reported that any resident that looks at the blood moon will gain extreme homicidal tendencies, along with red glowing eyes. These affected residents have been reported to break into homes and kill anyone inside in a brutal manner. Take shelter in the innermost part of your home and lock all entrances. If you are driving, get out and find the nearest building to take shelter in. Affected people have been reported to have increased sensitivity to hearing and smell. For more information, go to www.arizona.gov. Repeating, take shelter now.
The military.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States or his representative will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is to TV. We will continue to serve the Kansas City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Kansas City area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is to TV. We will continue to serve the Kansas City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Kansas City area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information.
Fellow Americans, the last few hours, the worst has come to pass. Multiple reports from emergency management, 911 calls, and police departments have stated that civilians that look at the moon will gain homicidal tendencies, along with red, glowing eyes. Stay in your homes, pull your curtains shut, cover your barricade all entrances. Whatever you do now look at the moon. Do not look at the blood moon tonight. If someone you know has already seen the moon and started acting violent, stay away from them and call 911. Affected people have been reported to break to homes and kill anyone inside. The Pentagon, in coordination with NASA and our nation's leading research institutions, is working tirelessly to understand and contain this crisis. We are a nation that has countless faced challenges, natural disasters, wars, and times of great uncertainty. This crisis, though beyond our current understanding, will be no different. Repeating, stay inside. Keep your loved ones in the innermost part of your home. Do not look at the moon, no matter the circumstances. Good night. Bless the United States of America.
To my surprise, he did the Monster Mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. He did the Monster Mash.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Kansas Emergency Management Association, in conjunction with the Kansas Highway Patrol. Martial law in effect for the state of Kansas. Due to mass rioting all across the state, martial law will be imposed, and no one is allowed to go outside unless it is for essential needs. Anyone caught outside tonight will be shot without question. For more information regarding this highly dangerous situation, please tune to local media outlets or internet sources.
No flag. They played the monster mash out from his coffin wreck.
This is an update regarding the Blood Moon event that began 12 hours ago. All clear. The Blood Moon has stopped and all the affected people have dropped dead to the ground. However, street poles and signs have fallen, along with some bridges collapsing. Due to this, travel is not recommended at this time. Remain in your shelters. Another message will be sent out when reconstruction has finished in your area.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Shasta County government. Reconstruction has finished and the emergency is now over. The United States government thanks you for your participation in the emergency alert system.